Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be doing a very easy DIY and showing you how I put together my bridesmaids gift baskets. And this was just really fun doing this, and I love the customization aspect of it, and it's also budget friendly as well. So if you want to see everything and how it came out, then just keep on watching. To put this together, it's very easy. So the first thing that I'm going to put in the basket is 2 tissue papers, just to help to fill out the bottom, just to give it a little bit more volume so that I don't have to use too much of the shredded papers. Put it in like that, and then I'm just going to make sure that I evenly distribute this around. And then the first thing that I'm going to put in is the socks. I'm just going to put that on the side. And then for the makeup bag, I'm going to put that on the top. And then the chocolates are in the little satin baggie. Looks really cute. Put that at the bottom. And then next, for the hair accessories, I'm going to be putting the scrunchie on this. And what I did was, when I printed this out and cut it out, then I just stuck this on some cardstock paper, just so that it could be a little bit thicker so that the paper would not bend. And I did the same thing with this paper as well, and then I just secured it with the ribbon right there in the middle. Just put that at the top there. And then for the nail polish, just gonna put that on the side. And then last but not least is the card, and I'm going to put that at the bottom. So I think that this came together very nicely. It looks so cute. And the last thing that I'm going to do is just take the transparent wrap, and I'm just going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to be tying it with this ribbon.
I need scissors.
Use your teeth.
Oh, never mind. So you got some fried one? Woohoo! Yay, Mom, the maid of honor.
Good.
Alright, my grand prize. Ah! Ooh, this is nice. Rachel, will you be my bridesmaid? Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Of course I'll be a bridesmaid.
Oh my god. That's so cute. Aw. Hannah, will you be my bridesmaid?
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that.
Aw, that's so sweet. Aw, that's so precious. I love the colors.
Let's get your name on it.
I couldn't tie the knot without you. Oh, that's so cute. Aw,
There you go.
thank you. Of course I'll be your bridesmaid. Yay, so excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. And if you have any other ideas or things to include, then just leave that down below so that we can read about it. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.